And it's never really been that much about the mirror for me. Everybody gets so wrapped up in how they look, and to me, I would rather just not hurt. Yes, you're gonna get fit, but you're also gonna train your brain. You're also gonna train your mind-body connection. Hey, my name's Chris, and I represent Total Life Concept, TLC for short. I've been in this fitness industry since like forever, and the cool thing about that is that there's been lots of class format types come and go over the years, and they were all fine. They were all great. They might not be in style right now, but I enjoyed doing all of them, and there's not really a class format that I haven't taught over the years, whether it's kickboxing or step or high-low or low impact or high impact or core or CrossFit, you name it. Fitness has lots of different components to it, and there's the aerobic piece, there's the flexibility piece, there's the strength piece. Throw balance into the equation, and the cool thing is that you can kind of mix and match. But the nice thing that I kind of feel like I have to offer with our Moxie platform is a whole lot of variety. The thing that I kind of like to be able to offer is an old school step class, and an old school high-low class, and a kickboxing class or a full function class. There's just such a huge variety that's available when you watch this format. I really appreciate being able to present all the things that I've always been able to do, and not necessarily wait for a class to show up, just put them down and lay them out so everybody can watch them. My intention around goals and things with regards to my clients and the people that take my classes is I've always been into practicalities. What's practical, what's functional, what serves. And it's never really been that much about the mirror for me. Everybody gets so wrapped up in how they look, and to me, I would rather just not hurt. There's a whole lot of people that deal with pain, and I think pain is not necessarily necessary. And it's something that you can correct. So when it comes to my concept about what fitness is, it's not superficial at all. It's actually really functional so that you can go outside and play and not have any limitations whatsoever. You shouldn't have pain holding you back, and you shouldn't have immobility. You shouldn't have crappy balance holding you back. Those kinds of things are all correctable. Another big, like huge piece of fitness to me is the mindfulness component. When we're out of our body, when we're distracted, when we're thinking about lists and we're thinking about stuff that we need to do, we're not present. There's never a single exercise class that isn't also a beautiful opportunity to practice your mindfulness and to actually meditate. Basically, being calm and alert and in your body is something that we all need to learn how to do a little bit better. You can be fully present when you exercise, and you can practice some very important techniques that really help with life, help with your moment-to-moment life experience. So it's basically, yes, you're gonna get fit, but you're also gonna train your brain. You're also gonna train your mind-body connection. I don't really like to use music in my classes. You can play your own music. I know that you probably won't like my music as much as you like your own, so please just listen to my cueing and listen to what I have to say about each class and how I present each one, because it's very important for me to get that information across to you that's about fitness, not necessarily whether you like the song or not. You know, having been in this industry for 30 years, if you look at the profile for TLC, you'll probably find like 9 or 10 completely different classes, and I'd invite you to come try them. There's a whole lot that you can experience in this channel, not just on the fitness end, but we've got some wellness talks, and we've got some talks about mindfulness and things like that too. Please join and come check it out.